At a recent function held at Mawsynram, the MLA of the constituency, Hima Shangpliang, had stated that he would soon be requesting the MDA government to upgrade Mawsynram block into a civil subdivision, as the people and representatives of the area have been demanding for the same from previous governments. Following this decision, the MLA of Mawsynram met Chief Minister CONRAD SANGMA at his office on the 8th of July 2021 to submit a memorandum supporting the demand of the people of his constituency. After his meeting with the Chief Minister, CONRAD SANGMA, the MLA from Mawsynram, Hima Shangpliang, informed the media that the discussion ended on a positive note, wherein the Chief Minister had given his assurance that further examination of facts and discussion on the possibility of upgrading Mawsynram block into a civil subdivision would be taking place soon. Shangpliang also added that should the demand be fulfilled, it would be a blessing to the people of his constituency, who would not have to depend on other subdivisional officers for official government and administration related work.
Andang alayo ban ya shombham tasi ngala pakai benya ya kijik jong pai ba ngala patai ba kibriu khamtam ki badai na border ki hawan hadu sor Shillong banwat ikijingeram omdan kanu no kalat kelenti ban yasno syakasora tani ban sno syakaranikor te ondang ilape yakamap ngila sutu pleng ba Mawsynram area talong basa marway itu de tang ne mata kata kadau ngimban se ba nginhap ya perkhat ban ai yang solution kata long ka kentin ko chief minister tenginget ba ki singi ki banwan ki pai ba jungi ki lum jenjar shu ban lewat ki jingram banwan chabi cha sor Shillong pese baro kinsa yo ki jingram tang hapo Mawsynram.